Achawi Kamadaya Pawi Governor Laganesan the Sagoban Assembly constituency win at Khanmet Mikida Laidale 44 Ukrul NPF candidate Ramuivawi vision document Aya release Sahir NPP Manipur State with spokesperson Ashankasar party win resign Sada JDU Li Bazanghair Like Yang Thor, as a Tangkhul Express with Pau Chungsangla Jajo in a Pamidalay, Pau Ping May Sa Ina Nanangrumsa. Ragra State Election Hili Governor Laganesan Sagolban Assembly Constituency with Aina Khanmet Mikida Laidalay. Chiwivang Manipur Chief Electoral Officer Rajesh Agarwal na Laganesan the Epic Card Ajontang Imphal Raj Bhavan di Mihair. Governor Laganesan hi Chennai wimi Sahau kada awi Khanmet Mikhawai Mingjan Chennai South with 24th Dia Garaya Nagar Assembly Constituency li Zangasana. CEO na EP card kami ena Ganesan da hili Khanmet Mipai Phoki Kajina. Rakrai election ni 44 Ukruli contest sagi dakhalai NPF candidate Ramuivawi vision document aya release Sahaira. Ramuivana kahang anganui lakha aina ngazan khamaya mirinli mamahai khamaya pingni ngjon mi khangai khangkhui mi khangai dream laisaya kalachina IAS officer aka ngasa khangai ningla sangmia chia awi dream chi samangawai people's representative aka otsava ngaya da hang Ramuivawi vision document release kasa Raneji Greenland Ukruli Kwikada Chili Reverend Mayopam Gabriel na Muivali Kathara Tera Neomida Sokami Mia Mikna Matingda Laylaka Kala Yang Bangshap Layda Lay Laka Avaram Hili Odram Gatsira Kajihina Ramuivawi Matai Makeup Kaji Mishana da Hanga Doing a shit Mami Mara Ka Ana Kashab aina tangda awi mission hi ungshung khawai sara da hang. Ukrul hiva Manipur with Jerusalem na gaji hi hang lishita itumwe apam hili khavatara khat laida khalai hi khanang lak kada muivana hang. Gala good governance khiraki gaji hi awi mission akhana chi. Ram muivawi vision document chili agriculture and allied sector shongwila zangdalai. Farmers pingwi mirinli Kangajay Kwirami Kawai Technological Marketing Systems Kwiramira Apam Gataday Dali Dry Frozen Odd Vashung Kawai Commerce Interlinked Network Samira Kala Modern Farming Techniques Taitang Maing Sagrachia Basic Infrastructure Utilities Wivang Effective Town Planning Matai Maing Sagra Ukruli Systematic Drainage Sewer System Ling Sagra Shimla Kajida Tab Aina Tir Kwiramira Mapum Aina Zingsui Kongwi Aina Ukrulwi Hydro Project Samira Solar UV Water Filtration Kala Zingrodra Gazip Kakui Hikatha Samira Kajila Ramuivawi Vision Document Chili Zangdale Mai Kamila Machatla Mikawai Power Solution Kwiramira Kajit Ningrin Laidale Healthcare System Wivang Hospital Facilities Mathasang Sakra Private la public health sectors li social medical responsibility laying sakra. Kala multiple healthcare facilities promote Samira Chia. Ukrul hi India with tourist destination ngasang sa kawai apong layag jihangda chine revenue matai kami mang maningla employment opportunities kwiramira the tourism with vision la laydalay. Human resource development shong education skill development kala entrepreneurial enterprises ina sports shong la human resources kala human capital semka khawai ningrin la lay. Sustainable development kwirada gender gaps kuitumi kala equity in inclusivity promote sarada ramuivawi vision laydalay. Imphal to Kohima via Ukrul 4-lane highway tunnel system aina Sakapai la Samingaya. Ukrul to Tamenglong via Senapati Kalab Ukrul to Jantel with National Highway la Samingaya Chia. Basic infrastructure banking zangda internet facilities marketing gold storage kala connectivity hiping hila ana sami khangai li jangdalai Ukhruli Medical College and Research Institute semka khawai kala Ukhruli hi smart city agang sang sagra kachihi hang Shanao long with President Veronica Zinkhaila Rani Chili Vazangda Hang Sang Yari wi ot kasahiva constituency aka mangli matangla saikora wivang chukmajimiya kajihi hangda Ram wi vision hi awi constituency wivang mang maningla imaram Tangkhul wivang kapang sara kajihi hang sang Ram wiva wi vision hi ungshung maikaya sampangda yaruli ning majan lag aina sheba salak Rano da Tangkhul Shanao long with President China Kaguzum to Hangsanga. NPP Manipur State with spokesperson Ashangasar Party we aina resign sada JDU li Vazang Hair. Kala JDU we aina nganinki da laydalay. Ashangasar na NPP we primary membership masalu marada resignation misang kahaina. NPP State Unit President li Kapi Khawali Ashangasar na kahang ana spokesperson ngasa salala Ali resent NPP week program pingli official invitation maralak tour. NPP National President Conrad K. Sangmali Ajahon Tarik Katumthang Sampangada appointment mamitua. Kala Ashangasar na Pungyer SC we aina ajawi election contest Saga Gajila NPP we National Vice President Y. Joy Kumar Kala awi Shimkurna ki maramka mamila mamia tua chia. Kala Y. Joy Kumar family politics Rio Haira Kajihi Kasarna Hang. Kasarna Kakapi Chili Kahang Taka Joy Kumar na Meitei Aina Meitei Pangal Ping Scheduled Tribe Lisli Zangrada Kahangji Party Witui Maning Mana. Joy Kumar Kalatana awi self propaganda wivang kahang na chia. Party we alungli karab leaders kai ka we otsak wivang aina party kamushunga ji magabang kui tura gaji paning sak hairada Ashangasar na hang. Northeast Abam Saikora we aina AFSPA kuishok mikvai Naga People's Friend with Central Office bearers ping the central government li pova hair. Kala Naga political issue we Twitter tami haulu gujila po hair. Hi party jina aya emergency meeting kazipta chili Twitter tag hai kahangna. NPF Central Headquarters Gohima Shongaina statement Migshokli Kahang Rakra election hili Maikaya Samangkavai NPF candidates ping chili Ningtong da Domra Kala party ticket Masam Kapang ping nala Kakatom Milu Kajihi Pohaira. Nagaland with UDA Shokarna Tikir Dribely Majut Kamiwi Vangda NPF na Mayakangai Pongshok Haira. NPF Central Working President Apong Bonginer na Kazip Chile Kahang NPF na Naganao Pingwi Identity Kala Ningachang represent Sai La Party we candidates Taraping Panglak Aina Lay Kala Yui Paishun Aina Lay de Lay Chia NPF with General Convention la COVID Mimau Wivang Aina Zingum Kutum Masapay la Rahaira Ka Nagaland Legislative Assembly election na Masangla Rauki Chihau the General Convention Masangla Sahara de Hang NPF Secretary General Ajumbemo Kikona Kahang Taka Ajiwi Manipur Assembly election hili NPF we aina nganing kawai mi hangmati na party ticket apply saya India with legendary Lag Sav Lata Mangeshkar aya og tu aina country hire India with melody queen the Kahova Mangeshkar Zingum hangchuko the Kanika hire saya Ahi post COVID-19 zimik shoh makada jishatang Bridge Candy Hospital Mumbai li ngahara laga multi-organ failure in Nagatina G. India we kala French we highest civilian honor sambang gahai Mangeshkar mawan sa gahai we pau shada film fraternity ahubvana kakanang pongshok ngarok da condolence mingrok haira. Celebrities pingnila Mangeshkar li khayagashi pongshok da atum social media li kakanang pongshok ngarok Itam na thay bai kja ngalay hi we aina lag sa temekap kachili kazang rockshot kamata wivang Nightingale of India dala gahova yarina ngajan lag kahaiva Lata Mangeshkar li awards kala honors taraka mi babam haira Mangeshkar no 2001 kum India with highest civilian honor Bharat Ratna Sambang Padma Vibhushan kala French nala officer of the Legion of Honor mi kahaina National Film Awards katum Filmfare Awards chini kala Dada Saheb Phalke Award la Sambhanga. Lada Mangeshkar na ring naga Hindi films tinka kadali la sasang mi haidale kala Indian aina foreign languages tumrada tharo kada aina la sahaidale chi. Anam dialogue aina Hindi kala Marathi tui aina la sasaya. Lada Mangeshkar kantui ga highway ga kanang pong shok da India na kanitang state morning mayondale. Sikh ga kanang chitaida aya aina aji Indian national plan half mast aina Kangaranu Gajihi Union Home Ministry na State Chief Secretary Spingni Jizami Kahaina Chia. Lada Mangeshkar with funeral Shivaji Park Mumbai full state honors aina Kwikami Kala Awi Angun public homage Wivang Chili Hai Mira Chia. Funeral service Chili PM Modi Levazan Kidale. PM Modi Zang the former PM Dr. Manmohan Singh Kala INC Nala Mangeshkar tribute Mingrok Hair. CM Biran nala kakanang pongshok da condolence mihaira. Supreme Court na Election Commission na jizag kamiyati sure the political parties ping na ichichak candidate ping with criminal records pong mi pok haira. BJP na candidates hangturg field kasali tharada gutum na criminal antecedents laydalay. Opposition Congress with candidate hang pangad the mati wili. Magkana akana criminal antecedents lay kala JDU wili chikata candidates pangazang dalay chia. Chronicle News Service wipawati sure BJP Manipur Pradesh President A Shardana with social media account li criminal records kala BJP candidates list chitay kamili Kairao SC wi Laurembam Rameshwar Andro with TH Shyam Kumar 1K with Okram Henry Thanga with T Robindro Nungba with Dingang Lungang Mai Tibu Churchanpur wi V Hangkhan Liang Wangoi wi O Lukhoi Lang Thabal wi Karam Shyam Cycle wi Yamthong Haukip Wangkem wi Y Nabajandra Kalat Thangmaiban wi Jyoti Waikom Zangdalai Chia. Congress wi candidates Andro wi Ke Ningthem Jau Nungba wi Kai Khangam Wangkem wi Ke Meghajandra Wangoi wi Salam Joy Mayang Imphal wi Dr. KH Ratan Kumar Lamlai wi Achoibam Dibam Patsoi wi AK Mirabai Kundrakbam wi TH Lokeshwar Thobal wi Okram Ibobi Kaira wi TH Tony Kala Khangabok wi Surja Kumar Okram Hipinghi criminal records Kalaili Zangdalaida Hang. Northeastern states wi ina Armed Forces Special Powers Act repeal Sami Haulu Kujihi Lok Sabha Lila Congress Kathana Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury na Hangsang Hair. Central Sarkar na Khui Khara Chikatha ING Richum now na Mamayama na Kala Chiwivang Act Chiwi Credibility Shiman Hair da Ana Hang. Kala Act Sarkar na Chichin Ngui Gahai Wivang Yarina Agidate Sara Hair Kuchihila Congress Kathana China Hang. Chowdhury na Parliament li Kamatui Chili Achang Kachang Nagaland Oting Otshot Chila Hangsang da Chikatha NT People Act Chik Sarkar na Kushok Mi Plungra Kuchihi Hang. Congress na kahang takamay National People's Party we MLA Agadha Sangma nala Lok Sabha Chili Matuida Center na Northeast Nauping we sentiments yang milo kala AFSPA repeal Sami Haulu da Popopam. Congress zang the political parties Taruk Alliance kasam we aming Manipur Progressive Secular Alliance hapok hair kala atumi kaman agenda la yarili pong mi hair. Atum jina ngashik da BJP li yuikwira kachira Hangdalai. Ka Alliance Chile Gazang CPI we me, Kai Kana Congress li, Vakang Shikti Mamayama the party we ena, Shok High Pau Samangdalai. CPI Manipur State Council na Congress li Eli Vagasachili, Makamaya CPI Wangjing, Tenta Local Council we member Hangmati the Tishat resigned Sahira Chia. CPI with former State Executive Member Haubam Robindrona Kahang Taga, CPI Manipur State Council Nerida, Gagazibli Councillors Kachungana Congress li Pre-Poll Alliance Kasali Mamayama na Kajip Hongshok Kahain. Ladluidaja we Kamataya Paubing. Governor Laganesan the Sagoban Assembly Constituency we na Kanmet Mikida Laidalay. 44 Ukrul NPF candidate Ramuiva with vision document aya release sahir. NPP Manipur State with spokesperson Ashankasar Party we na resign sada JDU li Bazang Hair. Aja we pau he nang chang hai rang na da lein tum zai corally so khamit zimik shong sa serno